Hey, what's up? I'm Brock.
I'm Tay.
Welcome to our home.
Okay, this is our garage. It's a 2-car garage, but it's really skinny. So we have the 4Runner here and then the other section of the garage, which has its pros and cons. One of the cons is that now we only park 1 car in the garage because it's kind of difficult. But the pro is that we have all this extra space. So we have a TV in here from the owner, don't use it, and this gym mat. So it could definitely be a workout room if we wanted it to be. Right here is where we have all of our outdoor gear. We have a lot, as you can see. Then we have this giant safe, which is not ours and we can't get into, it's the owner's. So it just kind of hangs out. And then our surfboards, some snowboards, my mountain bike, and the toolie. But yeah, we got a lot of space. I could do cartwheels in here. I could definitely still work out in here if I wanted to. So it's pretty nice.
You could do cartwheels in here? Wow. Wow. Did you see on our last video, someone said, I think Taylor's drunk.
Which is funny because I literally had like half a drink.
Yeah.
That's just how I am. But
Yep.
you guys don't see that side as much. The entryway into our home. So we have our entryway table and then this little key dish and then our little like shoe area. So that's where we keep all of our workout shoes and stuff like that. And then this little mirror and this little guys because you can sit. And then there's a big closet right here.
What else is over here?
Okay. Oh. It gets stuck sometimes. Our dumb waiter. You can hold 100 pounds of stuff, so that's what we put our packages in and our groceries and stuff, so we don't have to go up 2 flights of stairs.
Come with me, let's go upstairs. On this kind of in-between floor, the only thing that we have is a closet, which is where we keep like the dog stuff and some more outdoor supplies. Let's go up to the top floor. This is our kitchen. We got the fruit bowl. We got the reverse osmosis water system, which is the best tasting water you'll ever have. We got an oven, which we don't use very much. I'll tell you why in a second. 4-burner stove. Dishwasher, which I think I fixed this morning because it was broken, but we'll see. This little guy, which I just think is so cool, that you can magnetically just stick your knives right onto it. And then here is the best part of the whole kitchen, this air fryer. Hence why we don't use the oven. We got this from a hole in the wall, little tiny store in LA. We don't know how they acquired this, but we got it for like 60% off. That is my favorite thing.
I think that one's my favorite thing.
Oh, I totally forgot, the coffee maker.
This is the best coffee maker ever. It grinds everything for you. It tamps it. It is amazing. It is the Breville One Touch, I believe.
And then I will show you the inside of our fridge, and this actually is how our fridge normally looks.
As of today.
As of a few hours ago. But it does usually look pretty organized in here.
Lots of fruits and veggies. It doesn't have a cheese drawer or anything like that. It only has those 2 produce drawers. So you're trying to figure out the best use of space, and this is what we landed on, is putting the produce on the shelves where we can see it so that it doesn't go bad, and then the cheese and the meats and stuff in these drawers.
Last 2 things before we move on to the living room. This ginormous clock, which apparently is bolted into the wall and we cannot take down. Also, the clock doesn't work, so it's always wrong. Also, this Roman numeral is incorrect. It should be IV, like that, but in reverse. But it says just I, which is wrong. So this clock, kind of cool. Some people like it, some people hate it. It's permanent. For those of you who don't know or don't follow her, Mila is an internet celebrity who uses these buttons to communicate anything she wants to with us. She can communicate her wants, her needs. She has 31 words. How many words does she have?
I think 31.
31 words now. So, and she presses these with her nose to communicate, and you can watch more videos on her Instagram in the description.
This is our little dining room. We debated getting a bigger table, but it fits the space really well, and I just love this table. So I think we'll stick with a 4-person table for now. And then I've been really into making our own bouquets and stuff. So we have this little vase, and then our glass shelves, which we didn't put in, the owner did, and they're off-centered, which bugs me. But other than that, I love them. I think they're beautiful. And the chandelier, which also came with the place, but I think I might steal it whenever we move out. This rug is from IKEA's one-of-a-kind section, and what they did is they took a bunch of different rugs, cut them up, and stitched them all together. So there is no rug that is exactly like this one, and I'm obsessed with it.
And we found these chairs on Facebook Marketplace.
Something that we really tried to do with this home is get more timeless pieces. Things that weren't trendy, but still things that were true to us. And so one of those was this couch. It is white, so we can't let the dogs on, but I think it's a very timeless couch, and I think it will flow with whatever design we decide to go into in our next home, if that makes sense. Our coffee table is from Anthropology. The top part is travertine, and the bottom, the legs are wood. There's actually 3 legs that are staggered. It gives off a similar vibe. It is a very, very heavy, high quality coffee table, but I think it is beautiful. Okay, this is my favorite area of the house, is our patio slash like living room where they meet. So we have these huge, like full-length door.
Sliding glass doors.
And they let in a ton of light. And then obviously you can walk out onto the patio, which is super nice. But the best part is that you can completely remove the wall. So we can sit here and get like the wonderful ocean breeze, all of the light, and you can hang out outside and still talk to everyone. So it feels like the room is just extended rather than there being a living room and a patio. And then this is our patio. It's pretty small, but when the door is open, it doesn't feel very small because there's no wall blocking you. We have the chair set up this way because we have this privacy wall, which is really nice. We still get a ton of sunlight. And I designed or decorated the patio all by myself, but everything's from Target, so it wasn't too hard. And yeah, that's about it.
Let's go up to the roof. This rooftop space definitely provides the best views. You can see a ton of the ocean from up here. Summer day like this, where it's 80 degrees, it's hard to beat sitting up here.
This is my little office, which also doubles as a guest bedroom. This couch, which is black velvet and I love so much, pulls out into a queen size bed. And then my little desk, which is actually a standing desk, but it doesn't look like one of those ugly standing desks. And I love that too. And then this really cool chair I found on Facebook Marketplace. And then my plan is to put up all of my art that's currently over there and put it up right here and make kind of like a gallery wall, but I have to figure out the layout and everything still.
From this hallway off the kitchen, we have a guest bathroom and then my office. I have this huge closet right here, which is where I keep most of my camera gear and anything else that I need, ring lights and stuff. And then in my actual office, I have this beautiful desk, which was from, where's this desk from?
Weston.
Love this desk so much. That couch was actually the couch that was in the living room of our old apartment in Seattle. And I think it goes well in here. This picture was one that Tay got me. This is from Mount Baker, Washington. I might put other pictures up on this wall, but I'm not sure. Got my hanging plant up there. Over here, I have all of my podcast equipment, which is sitting on this super cool table that was like 25 bucks at a thrift store. So it's perfect size little nook table for all my podcast equipment. And then I have my little shelf right here with all of my books and my pictures.
This is our little laundry room. Washer and dryer stack, which is really nice. And then we were actually able to fit a little clothes rack so we can hang dry all of our clothes. Our vacuum's back there. And this little shelf for all of our cleaning supplies. So somehow it's really spacious. And this is our bedroom. We wanted to keep it really simple and minimal. This is our place to relax. We don't spend a lot of time in the bedroom except when we're sleeping. It's really the only time we hang out in here, so we don't need a lot. We have our very low profile bed, our new nightstands, which we just got like last week. And then we decided to go with a blue duvet cover since our bed is white and it matches this like dark blue kind of black gray dresser that we have, and I thought it complemented really well. And then our little arch mirror. And this mirror, which I'll never get rid of, I had it in my childhood bedroom and it just goes with me everywhere now. And then our bathroom. This is my side, and then this is Brock's side. We're doing laundry right now, but usually we have a big stack of face towels right here, our towels right here, our nice big shower, which is awesome, and that's about it.
Oh.
I think our walk-in closet in Seattle was bigger, but this makes a better use of space because it has a lot more shelves. And so our laundry hamper, whatever, lots of shelves, 2 rows of hangers, more shelves, and then there's actually shelves behind the door too. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any art recommendations because we want some art for our bedroom and maybe some more for our offices. But I hope you really enjoyed seeing our home. Thanks so much for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe.